top 10 ways to kill people with Nerf guns. Let's go. Number 10.
You mean number 1?
Number 1, be the bad coach.
You gotta do it this way, Billy! It's that simple!
Sorry, coach. I'll do better next time.
Ah!
Number 2. Number 2 was the...
Parents gone to sleep.
Oh yeah. Okay. Number 2. Fall asleep on the couch.
Okay. Brennan, wake up! You gotta go to your bed!
No.
That's over with.
That was caught on camera.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Okay.
1 second, let me get the beverage.
Number 3. Be the audience.
And it's like,
She's coming from the court. 3-point.
The bullet was too fast. We didn't see the bullet.
it's fine.
Number 4. Oh yeah, steal the cookie. Where's the knife? Okay. This one you need a knife.
I'm asleep. Brennan, what are you doing?
Balloon.
You kicked it?
I like ninja skill.
That was a good one.
Number 5. What was number 5 again? Number 5?
They're just thinking what number 5 is.
It should be like trampoline thing. You're like taking too long on the trampoline.
Okay, it's my turn.
Hey, you've been on it for like an hour. It's my turn.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Got it, boy.
Okay. Number 6. Steal the remote. No, let's just do it over here. Steal the remote.
To watch a bad show. No, I'm kidding.
No.
No, so I'm like watching TV. No. No, then you steal it from me. Okay.
Hey, I want to watch TV.
No.
And I said, ah!
And I said, ah!
Number 7. We might cut this short though, because we're running out of ideas. Oh, electrocution crank. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, look. You want to touch it?
Sure. It did nothing.
Yeah, I know. It's a prank.
You don't do pranks in this house, boy!
Number 8. The bad baseball player. Wait. Let me re-say that. Number
bad
8.
pitcher.
The bad baseball player.
The horrible pitcher.
Alright. Looks like Elliot's coming out on the field.
Oh, there's bat.
I know, that is that.
And then,
The new.
what kind of prank is that?
The bad bowler. Oh, it's a 7-10 split. He's lining up. Oh! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, that's all we have because we're kind of running out of ideas. Give this video a like if you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Good night.